Welcome to our channel. Need to verify your Lyft driver account? Follow these essential steps to complete verification and start earning on the platform. Step 1. Open the Lyft driver app and log into your account. Make sure you're using the driver app, not the passenger app. Step 2. Navigate to the account section in the app menu. Look for any verification alerts or incomplete requirements. Step 3. Upload a clear photo of your driver's license. Ensure all corners are visible and the image is well lit without glare. Step 4. Submit your vehicle registration document. The registration must be current and match the vehicle you'll be driving. Step 5. Provide proof of insurance that meets Lyft's requirements. Your name must be on the policy and coverage must meet state minimums. Step 6. Complete the background check consent form. Lyft will verify your driving record and criminal history. Step 7. Take and submit a selfie for identity verification. Follow the app's instructions for proper lighting and positioning. Step 8. Wait for Lyft to review your documents. Verification typically takes 3 to 5 business days. Check your email for updates or additional requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.